before and after. Big difference. Look how much brighter these two guys like. See, this one right here is a lot brighter. This is right there is the used one, I mean the old one. Big difference, guys, big difference. All right guys, welcome back to the channel. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna replace the backup lights on 2022 Honda CRV. Those lights were sent to me by a company from Amazon. I like them. They look really good and they make a big difference in the car. Now you can actually see in the back. So I'm gonna put everything down in the description down below. Also, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Boop, boop, boop. Hit the subscribe button down below, put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's CarStomIt it. Okay guys, so the company sent me these lights. Those are T10, they're white, so we're gonna install it. So it's very simple. I'll double check, but I think those should definitely fit. I'm gonna show them to you really quickly. So there you go guys, very simple, can bust, so they shouldn't flicker. You shouldn't get any you shouldn't get any error on your dashboard. So here it shows you a little bit of what the lights are. 12 volt, 2 pieces. What else? I mean, fairly simple. So guys, I forgot to show you what the bulb looks like. So here it is. So there's a bulb, there's a light bulb right here, and there's a bunch all around it. With the CAN bus, you shouldn't have to worry about any errors. So here it is. I forgot to show you guys. All right guys, let's put them on. I saw it's a little night out, but you should be able to see. And then, do you see me enough? I think so. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop this guy open. It should be fairly easy. There's a little opening right here. Grab your trim removal tool and pop it open, and then you slide, hold it, and we're gonna slide it down. It's out. Okay guys, so now to take this one out, you just twist it and then the light comes out. So I take the bulb out. So this bulb is 12 volt, 6 watt, oh, 921. But this also fit these guys that are T10, so we're gonna put these guys instead. For now, we might change it later, but the T10 works just fine. So let's grab the T10, pop it in, and just double check it so you guys can see it works. Yeah. Okay. All right guys, as you can see, boom boom boom, it works. It looks really good. Let's put it in. We're gonna do the other side and then we can call this a done. So it should be fairly easy. You pop it back in, twist, that's it. You grab this cover guys, and then you line it up and close. Done. Next side. Okay guys, the next side is the same way. You just pop it. You just use your trim removal tool. There we go, it is out. And then we do the same thing. We twist this, pull it out, boom, there we go. All right guys, got the new bulb. Just pop it in, and then let's double check again it works. All right guys, boom boom boom, yeah, it works. Okay, now all we have to do is put it back in here, boom, and then we put this cover back guys. It's simple, boom, that's it guys, she's all done. All right guys, so guys, this one is all done. I'm gonna go and go to a dark spot so I can show you how it looks, and then beside that we're good. So guys, I wanted to show you the before. This is the before, the after. You guys see the difference? Beautiful, right? So again, before and after, big difference. Look how much brighter these two guys like. See, this one right here is a lot brighter. This is right there is the used one, I mean the old one. Big difference guys. Let's go. So guys, now see, it's pretty dark here. You don't see the ground at all. So we're gonna put the backup light so you can see what they look like.
Backup?
Yeah. Here it is, guys. Now look. Look. See? It lights up so much better. Look how brighter. Okay. See? Dark. All you see is the brake lights. Okay, now we're gonna put it on. Okay, guys. Oh, blinding. But I love it, guys. I love it. This is really good. Very happy with it. I got another thing I want to show you real quick. We're gonna go to another dark spot so you can see really what it looks like. Let's go. All right, guys, the darkest spot I could find, so I wanted to show you what the lights look like when we put the backup lights on. So you see, you can't see anything right now, so you can see the brake light. Okay, so we're gonna put, see, look at it, guys. See, now you can see. Let me show you the difference back here. See, big difference, guys. You can actually freaking see. You can back up and see. Big difference. Okay, okay, and that's without it. Okay, okay, all right. See, guys, oh, I was blocking it, but there you go, guys. It's a big difference. I really like this, guys. All right, guys, that's all she wrote. Yep, off. Cut it off. All right, we're done.